Hey guys, Chrisspy here. Welcome back to my channel. The other day I posted this picture on my stories and I got so many replies asking about weight loss and fitness that I wanted to come on here and give you guys a little update. So now my total weight loss is 90 pounds, which is so crazy to me. I'm 5'6.5". My starting weight was around 246, but honestly, I think it was higher. My current weight is around 155 pounds and it's taken me over 3.5 years because I've done it super slow and easy. I don't know if you can hear the blender going, apologies. But I'm excited to talk about this with you guys because if you're just starting out on your fitness journey or anywhere on your fitness journey and your goals feel impossible, they are not. Because believe me, I felt the same way and I didn't know what to do and it took me a long time, but I figured it out. So I'm gonna share everything with you guys. I'm very flexible when it comes to diet and workout and just have a very laid back approach. I allow myself to flow with life, flow with myself, and it's proven effective. So a lot of people are asking how. In the simplest terms, just diet and exercise. I focused on eating in a slight calorie deficit and making sure that I'm getting enough protein. But there's more that goes into that. I got sober in 2022, so eliminating alcohol made a huge impact because I was drinking a lot. Similarly, when I got sober, I did a lot of healing work and that resolved a lot of my issues around binge eating disorder. So it's like eliminating the binging and alcohol. Those were like the main things that were causing me to gain weight. And doing a lot of mind-body connection healing work was what really helped me to be more in tune with my body and really helped with binge eating. Being more connected with the body also helps in your workouts. And yeah, it's like you're able to read hunger cues and binging just doesn't do what it did for me before. Thank God. Okay, as far as the diet goes, again, I'm really flexible with it, but basically I've stayed in a slight calorie deficit and I focus on eating high protein. I use MyFitnessPal to log all my food. I did another video when I was 75 pounds down that you guys can check out where I go more into details about macros and all that. But those are the basic guidelines, especially coming from binge eating disorder. I had to allow myself a lot of wiggle room with my diet because if I go too strict, I'm gonna end up binging and it's just not sustainable. Like I didn't want to eat, you know, fucking bland ground turkey for the rest of my life. I eat healthy foods that I enjoy and I indulge whenever I want. And I notice that the less I restrict myself, the less I feel that I do need to indulge. Because I'm like, you can have those cookies whenever you want. So for workouts, I work out about 3 to 5 times a week, I'd say, lifting weights. I work out by myself. I don't work out with a trainer right now. And actually, I just realized this when I went to do this video. I was like, oh, dang, you haven't been doing cardio in a while. I would like to do cardio because I enjoy it. So that was a lie. That was a lie. I would like to enjoy it and it's good for you, but I haven't really done as much cardio lately since I switched gyms. But before I moved to Mexico, I actually was doing like lots of steady state cardio. Right now, I do split my workouts between upper body, lower body days because it gives my muscles a chance to recover. With upper body, mostly I just do like free weights. And then with lower body, like my big lift that I do is deadlifts. Like deadlifts are my absolute favorite. And I just started squatting. So when I start a new exercise, I start with no weight. But it's crazy because that last time I tried to squat was a while ago. So it's cool like coming back to exercises and feeling that they're easier because you're getting stronger. And I did my first push-up the other day, you guys, like actual proper push-up. So exciting. So it's that kind of stuff that makes me excited to get into the gym and see where I'm at. Also, over the course of these 3 years, like there have been a lot of times when I wasn't working out. Like when I moved to Mexico, I didn't work out for like 3 months. That brings me to my next topic, which is how do you stay motivated? A lot of people are asking this. How do you stay motivated to go to the gym? It's just such a part of my routine and my habits that at this point, it doesn't feel difficult. I wouldn't say I'm disciplined or I'm motivated, I am habituated. So research actually shows that when you're setting new goals, the key is to set small attainable goals. And that has been the way I've reframed this whole journey, was to make it the easiest and most enjoyable process. I'm like, dude, you're gonna be in this body for the rest of your life. You're gonna be eating, it turns out, for the rest of your life. So why not just relax and enjoy the process? Because I'm not in a rush to be anywhere. Where's there to go? There's also a technique, I've talked about it in other videos, called reduce the scope and stick to the schedule. And what that means is that you set, a small, easy to achieve goal, like working out 3 times a week. And say you have this goal, but then you don't have time to work out, or you're kind of tired. What you do is you reduce the scope. Instead of working out, 30 minutes, an hour, you reduce that to say, can I work out for 2 minutes today? Can I work out for 5 minutes today? It's actually proven over time that people who use these techniques are actually more effective in achieving their goals, because there's a compound effect. And I can say that that has been such a great tool for me. And the way it is now, like the rhythm that I'm in with nutrition and working out, it doesn't feel like hard work. Because like I said, it's just my habit, it's my routine, and I'm used to it. And it's not gonna feel like that in the beginning, but stick to it, because I promise you, you will surprise yourself when you see how strong you get, you see how healthy you are. The whole time I've been this way. So when I was 60, 70, 80 pounds lighter, I had the same approach with food. Like, I didn't restrict myself then, and it's enabled me to make this sustainable. And that's the key, is to make it sustainable. When I was struggling, crash dieting all the time, people would say this to me. People would say this to me all the time, but I just wasn't there yet. It doesn't matter though, because we're here now, and I'm thankful because I have so much understanding and compassion when people come to me and they're struggling with their weight. Like, I've been there and I understand it. So don't judge yourself, don't shame yourself. That's actually counterproductive. Like Brene Brown said, a brain filled with shame cannot learn. That's something that I'm continually having awareness around, is when like shame comes up, because I used to think that being hard on myself was gonna make me better, and I can see that it was the opposite. So leave me any questions that you guys have down below. I'm an open book. I'm really passionate talking about health and wellness, because like I said, I've been on all the ups and downs and really struggled, and I'm in a place where I finally have freedom with food, which I didn't think was possible for myself. I really did not. And that's my hope, is that you guys walk away from this video feeling optimistic, feeling inspired, feeling empowered, and knowing that your goals are achievable. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will be back soon. Bye.